So career fairs, the really big ones, which are conducted by the Career Education Center, do it at least once a semester. So there's one during the fall, one during spring. They are usually after half the semester is over. Okay, so in the fall, I'd say around October, you'd have a fall career fair, which companies come. The fall career fair is really huge. Microsoft, Google, Facebook, Amazon, all the companies do come in. I was a little bit disappointed with the spring career fair. I don't know why, but there were really small companies which had been called, but you don't need to worry about that. A lot of it depends upon your online applications as well. It's not just the career fair. You should not depend just on the career fair. The reality of what happens at a career fair is there are 500 students who are going to approach the same recruiter. They're going to make a bunch of your resumes and send it across to the company. The company is really going to make a very quick glance through of your resume and difficult to get picked, especially when you don't have any prior experience. So when you are competing with your entire batch through a career fair, it's difficult. But online, what happens is there is an online parser which goes through your resumes, an automated system, and if you are smart enough to have put the right keywords into your resume, then you will most definitely get at least the initial coding round from the companies. So that's one of the ways that you can approach it. I'd say 20 to 30% get it through the career fair, and the remaining get it through online applications and referrals. Referrals are very, very important. Please network, get to know people, and try to get as many referrals as possible, because what happens is a lot of companies have very tough initial coding rounds for I don't know what reason, but once you get through those rounds, only then you get the interview. Whereas if you have a referral, you directly skip that coding round and you have a short interview. Then completely depends on you how you sail through it. I'd say referral definitely helps, especially the big 5 tech companies. They make it a point to give callbacks for interviews to at least 80 to 90% of people who have been referred. Every company is different and they have a different system for referrals. So once an employee of the company fills out a form, they have that online portal where they have to submit their referral. Some companies send out an email to the candidate asking for the position that they want to apply for, whereas some assume that you want to be a part of the team that employee has applied from. If it's a bank and it's a wealth department and the employee who's referring you is in that department, then that company might just assume that you want to be a part of the wealth department, whereas some do not. So it depends. But in tech companies, you usually get the basic software developer intern. There's a separate pool for where the employees can submit your resume. So all you have to do is talk to the employee and they have to find their portal and submit it there, and it's done.